Hello guys, welcome to VS Tech. Today in this video we are going to learn how to set up a free trial SAP BTP account. First go to SAP BTP Trial account. Click on this link SAP BTP free trial for 90 days. Accept all and click on this try now. Here provide your email address or Gmail address. Click on next. Click department as training and company. You can put like this. Yes, Tech. In relations to SAP student, you can set up whether you want consultant, customer, partner, SAP employee, student, and click on submit. Check your email to finalize your sap.com account. Click to activate your account. Set up password. Click on continue. Continue. And here click here to start your trial account. There is India. Log in with your phone number. After verifying your phone number with the OTP, you're going to redirect to this tab. Accept all. We can choose whether you want US or Singapore. I will choose Singapore. Create account. It will take time to create. After getting all details, click on continue. Now go to your trial account. Now click on this trial. Go to services, service marketplace. Search here Integration Suite. Create. Service as Integration Suite. Plan as Trial. Create. View subscription. Like this it will be created. In security, go to users. Here your username will be shown. Click here, like this, and click on assign role collection. Search here integration provisor. This is for provising and basic configuration of the integration capabilities. Assign role collection. Add it. Now instant and subscriptions. Click on Integration Suite application, 3 dots, go to application. Now we are going to set up capabilities for our integration suite. We have to add here capabilities like build integration scenarios, close this one, manage APIs, implement interfaces and mappings, manage trading partners, access data, extend non-SAP connectivity, manage and provide integration, technology guidance, access migration scenarios, select all capabilities, click on next, enable developer hub, click on next and activate. This will take time. This will take minimum 10 minutes. After getting all active on capabilities, click on OK. And this is the SAP Integration Suite home page, and we have to add here services. For that we have to add services in BTP cockpit. Go to service marketplace, and here search process integration runtime. This is for integration runtime, and click create. Select plan as integration flow, runtime as Cloud Foundry, space as Dev, and you can choose an instance name for your remember. I will choose as IR integration runtime. Click on next and keep this as default. Click on next and create, and click on view instance. And now our integration runtime created. We have to assign roles for this. For that we have to go to users in security, click on this, drag here, assign role collection. Now search PI administrator, next PI business expert, and next integration developer, and next PI read only, click on assign role collection. Now the roles are assigned. Now go to instance and subscriptions. We have to add this instance, then only we can get in integration suite here services. Click on three dots here, create service key. You can name it as IR key. And create. Creation in progress. Service key created. Now click on go to application. We have to wait some time. Here we will get services like design. It will take some time. Okay. It will take minimum 5 minutes. Click the refresh button to reload this page. After you will get these capabilities. I will explain these in next video. And this is our SAP Integration Suite. Like this we can create a SAP BTP free trial account, and this is the BTP cockpit, and this is the integration suite account.